Welcome to another episode of Start the Day. Siyempre,
Every
kakain.
single day, I'm gone.
Hi, I'm back. Welcome to another episode of reviewing my wife's cooking. So I'm here in my office, and before I start the day, siyempre, kakain muna ako. Before anything else, sanitizer. Bago tayo kumain. So, bago ako nagsisimula ng day ko to do all my stuff, to do all my work, of course, I eat. And it so to happen, my wife made a burger, her own recipe of burger patty. Ayan, so, ayan. Titest natin, titikman natin yung luto niya ng burger patty. Sinamahan ko na rin siya ng egg. Although hindi kasama siya sa review. Masarap naman. Masarap naman yung burger patty. Actually ako nag-request sa kanya to make her own patty kasi napapansin ko na yung gawa ng mga sa fast food, yung mga ganun, medyo salty. And she loved the idea of making her own patty naman kasi mas healthy and mas controlled yung ingredient. Hindi naman ganun ka-complicated yung paggawa ng burger patty. Ano lang, syempre yung beef, yung ibang ingredient na hindi naman masyadong mahirap hanapin. And I suggest everyone to make their mas madali, 'di ba? Mas controlled mo yung ingredient. Hindi masyadong hindi, of course, walang preservatives at hindi masyadong maalat. Ayun. So, ayun. Yun lang, and I hope everyone, household mommies, sa kahit sa mga enthusiast sa cooking and everything, mas maganda talaga you make your own food and hindi ka nagde-depend masyado dun sa mga preserved na patty na nabibili mo sa mga groceries. Yun lang, and yun lang muna for now, and hope to see you in more episodes. Signing off.